Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can remove the header line from your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this really quickly. So what you want to do is access the document you would like to edit, and as you can see, I added a header line like this one here to our document for the sake of this tutorial. How can you delete it or remove it? Well, hear me out. So what you want to do is double click on the header area here to access your header, just like that. And after that, you will see the header and footer area or options popping up here at the top. So you may switch from that tab to the home tab here on the left hand side. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply pay attention to the paragraph section here and click on that arrow down icon next to the borders, just like that, and select the lowermost option, which is borders shading. And here inside that window, what you want to do is simply disable the top border, which is basically the header line here to the right. So simply click on that icon here to disable the top border, or simply go with a non-border option here setup, and confirm all of that by simply clicking on OK here. And that's basically it. That is going to remove the header line from your header. You may close the header and footer section as well by clicking on that X icon here, and that, as you can see, that's how it looks like, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time.